Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game is patched and you've progressed past the mid-game story gate. This matters because Nebula spawns require the boat upgrade and facing certain characters. Once confirmed, expand your boat and equip the last cabin upgrade so you can dock in the Nebula. Make sure to stock supplies, fuel and crafting materials for on-site recipes. Begin a focused voyage to Nebula coordinates now, since timing and upgrades unlock the encounter mechanics you need. You navigate precisely to the Nebula waypoint using the star map and align your trajectory with visible celestial markers. Accuracy speeds the encounter. Once in Nebula, look for a glowing comet or a shimmering tear in the sky and interact to start the ambient event. This triggers the spirit sequence. Then follow the NPC prompts and complete the short mini-quest, which usually involves gathering a specific material or answering a dialogue. Completing those steps is what actually drops the Nebula thread. You finalize by returning the required item or speaking to the shrine character to claim the Nebula thread. This handoff completes the sequence. Once done, verify the thread appears in your inventory and craft or equip it immediately. If you don't receive it, reload a prior save and repeat the ambient event step. Glitches often resolve by retrying. Finally, make sure no mods or absent DLC are blocking the reward, since those are the usual causes when everything else seems correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.